Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn about Python and how to download it. So let's begin without any further delay. Also, we are going to assess information like URLs, which web page to visit to download Python without any viruses or any extra files, and what comes in the download package. So let's begin. So everyone, here we are. This is the first tab we will see when we visit the Python site called python.org. This web page, the URL of this web page is python.org slash downloads slash, which will be given in the description. So to download Python, simply click on this button over here, present over here. Download Python 3.11.4. That is how to download Python for Windows. Then again, the Python is not downloaded. It is the installer that is downloaded. The installer contains various packages which you can customize, and on the default basis, the package which comes has Python IDLE shell and Python script mode. In this playlist, we are going to cover only Python IDLE shell, which is the interactive mode. Let's learn about Python. Python is an easy to learn, powerful programming language. It has efficient, high level data structures and a simple but effective approach to object oriented programming. Python's elegant syntax and dynamic typing, together with its interpreted nature, make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. In today's date, Python is so popular that companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and many more like Spotify and Netflix have already used it in their programs. Python was originally designed to be simple, quick, and easy to read. It was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989 with the mission of making coding fun. Python is incredibly versatile and can be used for everything from web development to data science. This versatility is a trait that very few programming languages can boast in the way Python can. Coming back to how to download Python, first of all, when we click on this button over here, it downloads a file which is called the installer. So, this installer, we have to go to the file location of the installer and click on it so it executes. It executes as many times you want, so be careful about how many times you install it. You may install it accidentally 2 times. So, when the installer is opened, it shows two options: either go customized or either go with the package, which is default. You should click on default to get the IDLE, or you can customize and select your own programs to download. Once this is all complete, We click on next, and we also have to allow the Python program to access our computer. It comes like that. So we have to allow it, or the program won't be downloaded. Next, all we have to do is search IDLE shell, which is the interactive mode of Python, into the search bar, and your computer's search bar, and the program will appear. There are also pre-releases like Python 3.12, but the stable version, the latest and stable version, which is perfect, is download Python 3.11.4. So let's open what we just downloaded. So let's learn about components of Python window. This is the Python window. As you can see the top bar, which is written IDLE shell 3.11.4 interactive version of Python. What is difference between the script mode and in the interactive mode? So interactive mode executes the code line by line. So you can't write a lengthy code in the interactive mode. You can also go to the script mode and try the same programs. There is no need of doing or performing changes to the program you used to execute in the interactive mode. Only the interactive mode has a problem that it executes the code line by line. Now let's see the components of the Python window. First of all, here we have title bar. Similar to all the windows you have seen so far, the title bar serves the same purpose. It shows the name and the version of Python you are using. Menu bar, which is over here. The file, edit, shell, debug, options, windows, help. These are the options present in the menu bar. As the name suggests, it contains the menus to carry out the different functions. The menus that you find in the menu bar are file, options, edit, window, shell, help, and debug. Now the script area. Where is the script area? Script area is where we type the code. This is the area where you enter your code or program. Status bar. Now where is the status bar? The status bar is located at the very bottom of the window, where you can see line 3 column 0. It basically tells the current status of the controls of the cursor on the window. So everyone, that is all for now. In the next video, we are going to learn about some basic commands in Python. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't be missing out on our latest videos.